My name is Rajeshwari. Today I am explaining if statement and if else statement. If statement tells us that if the condition is true, it will execute the set of statements inside the if condition. If any statements are there outside, those will be executed. Syntax of if else if statement. If condition, open bracket statement. Flowchart of if condition. Start if condition, it will be true. It can be entered into the block of code and it will be false. It enters exit. Example of if condition, if statement. Hash include stdio. Int a equal to 10. If condition is a greater than 15. Printf true, printf thank you. A is not greater than 15. So it will be printed thank you. And if else statement tells us that if the condition is true, it will execute the set of statements inside the if condition, and the condition goes false, it will execute the else block statements. Syntax of if else statement. If condition statements, else statements, out block statements. Flowchart of if else statement. Start condition, it will be true, it enters into the statement 1. It will be false, it enters into the statement true, and exit. Example of if else statement. Int hover, printf enter hover. If hover equal to 2, print it is a C longest class. If hover is not equal to 2, print it is not a C longest class. Hover is true, so it is printed, it is a C longest class. Thank you.